What we need for cucumber and lime juice: cucumbers, 5 pieces of lime, ice cubes, and the blender. Slice the limes and slice the cucumbers as well into pieces. Then put just a cucumber in the blender. Put the juice of the lemon in another container. Check out the pool. And since I don't have a cotton or like cheesecloth, I'm using coffee filter. And this actually you could put together with white egg, and you could use it as a mask. So after straining all the cucumber, just add some sugar and some ice cubes, and it's ready. And there we have it, lime and cucumber juice with ice, live and quarantining from Mexico.